Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Tuesday the 11th. Hope you guys are doing well today, and hope you're ready to continue learning some more math. Please listen carefully to these announcements. You are responsible for what I say, so here we go. Let's take a look at these announcements. First of all, there will be a quiz tomorrow, so please study well tonight and be ready for your quiz tomorrow. At this time, please turn in page 144, 9 through 16, 19, 23, and 24. Make sure your name is on that, okay? Please make sure your name is on it, and go ahead and turn that in now at this time. Incompletes for track 1. I know, Brianna, you've got a quiz to take. I know that. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. Let's get this a little bigger. Okay, Brianna, please don't forget about your quiz. And then Andrew, Brianna, Andrea, and George. I did not get this assignment here from you guys. It was given Wednesday, the last day of school last week, and it was due yesterday. That must be turned in by tomorrow, Wednesday, or it will be a 0, okay? So please contact me if you have any questions on that at all, all right? Moving on. Today we will be going over tomorrow's quiz, and we're also going to take notes today. The video today is about vectors, okay? Now, it's pretty cool stuff. Usually vectors are used when it comes to solving force problems, force types of problems. Vectors are used a lot in pre-calc and calculus. Obviously, since this is geometry, we are just going to scratch the surface of vectors and look at the basics. It goes along with chapter 3 because vectors can be graphed and compared to other vectors, which goes right along with our recent studies of parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and graphed lines. Okay, so we're going to look at vectors today. The teaching video is obviously called Vectors. It's about 36 minutes long. Now, more than likely, of course, to be honest, the way the computer has worked lately, you might not have any extra time at all. But if the computer works properly right away, you'll probably have just a couple extra minutes toward the end of the class period. We don't do that very often, but if it happens today, that's fine. Okay. Now, volleyball team being dismissed early Friday. I'm not sure. I heard that might happen. So if it does happen, make sure you come to class Monday totally ready for your test. Okay? So if you're not here Friday, you still gotta take the test on Monday, unless you contact me with a good reason not to take the test. So please, make sure you're ready for your test on Monday. Now let's go over what will be on tomorrow's quiz. Now, students, understand I'm only quizzing you on 2 lessons, but there's a lot of material on these 2 lessons, so I'm kind of concerned about the quiz tomorrow. So please make sure you study, okay? Because this quiz is going to have a lot of information on it, okay? This is definitely going to be a tough quiz. So please study tonight, okay? In your notes, lesson 3.5, you should have a definition here called transversal. That will be on your quiz, okay? Fill in the blank. Also on your quiz, I'm not going to, obviously these won't be fill in the blank, okay? But I could very well give you a diagram like this right here and tell you to list out the different angles. For example, corresponding angles would be 1 and 5, 1 comma 5, 3 comma 7, 2 comma 6, 4 comma 8. They come in pairs of 2, remember? So you would have to list out all, not some, all of the corresponding angles. Same thing for alternate interior. You would list out 3 comma 6 and 4 comma 5. So I could very well give you a problem like this on your quiz tomorrow. So please know that information, okay? Then, again, guys, I'm really concerned. get out a highlighter or something and mark these in your notes. All of these will be on your quiz, fill in the blanks. Okay? It's going to be one of those big quizzes, okay? So just accept that and understand that, okay? And that's why I try to quiz you on every 2 lessons, all right? I hope you guys can hear me. My voice is really struggling this morning. Okay, so copy those in your notes, all right? I will not give you any proofs on the quiz, okay? There will not be any proofs on the quiz. And that's it from that lesson. Now, in your notes here, lesson 3.6, we've already marked these, so that's nothing there. Okay, this will be on your quiz. This will be on your quiz. Okay. 310 will be on your quiz. If I'm going too fast, Miss Carol, just pause the video. 311 will be on your quiz. 312. And you know what, guys? Let's just make this quiz a 100% fill in the blank quiz. So I'm not going to put any homework problems on the quiz. That's plenty of information for you guys to study, okay? So there you go. You know exactly what's going to be on the quiz. So please study, okay? Moving on. That's all for today. So please get to work on your notes. Have a great day today, guys. Contact me if you have any questions at all.